today to crave the indulgence of the House to move a motion that affects 70% of the population of Nigeria, representing the youth demographics. The title of the motion, Mr. Speaker, is the need for justice and safeguarding the legacy of the late Ilerioluwa Aloba, aka MohBad, who passed away under very questionable circumstances in Lagos. I crave the indulgence of this House to kindly approve, under Order 8 Rule 4, that the rules be suspended and that this matter be treated as urgent. I so request, Right Honorable Speaker. Thank you. The Nigerian music industry mourns the loss of the talented artist, popularly known as MohBad, who tragically passed away under mysterious circumstances on Saturday, 2023, and has continued to make headlines and dominate discussions across and beyond the nation. The House also notes that the heartfelt protests, a procession of youth chanting his name, and the call for an investigation as they marched to a tribute concert with numerous musicians in attendance. It is evident that MohBad's fans are struggling to come to terms with his ultimate demise. MohBad, also known as Imole, meaning light in Yoruba, was an artist who sang of peace and light. The House further notes that MohBad left his record label, Malian Records, owned by Naira Marley in 2022, citing various grievances, including unpaid royalties. This issue is indicative of a broader problem in which artists encounter challenges and asserting their rights. The House is also aware that a disturbing industry practice has come to the fore. Evidence of mistreatment highlights the struggles of young artists who, in their quest for success, become entangled in parasitic contracts and face bullying when they seek to exit these contracts. The House is also concerned that MohBad's case is not an isolated incident. Many artists throughout the length and breadth of Nigeria find themselves ensnared in unfavorable contractual agreements, limiting their creative freedom and financial growth. This situation can lead to disputes and at times even violence. The House is cognizant that the Nigerian music industry lacks substantial institutional funding, pushing many artists into unscrupulous contracts with record labels. Addressing this issue is vital for the industry's growth and sustainability. The House is also cognizant that the Nigerian Copyright Commission functions encompass copyright registration, law enforcement, education, royalty management, international collaboration, legal advocacy, policy development. Hence, they should be protecting copyright and promoting artists' interests in Nigeria. The House is further disturbed that most of the proceeds of the late artist are still going to the Malian Music Group, and there have been no moves from any agency to protect the estate of the late singer, who is currently the 46th best-selling digital artist in the world. Accordingly, and the prayers are, sir, the House urges the House to observe a 1-minute silence in honor of MohBad and send a delegate to... urges the House to observe a 1-minute silence. 2, monitor the ongoing investigation of MohBad's death, particularly the allegations of harassment and unpaid royalties. Collaborate with stakeholders, including record labels, artists, legal experts, and industry associations, to develop and implement industry-wide guidelines that ensure fair treatment, transparent contractual agreements, and proper compensation for artists. Reviewing existing copyright and contract laws in Nigeria, identifying gaps or areas in need of reform. Finally, mandate the Committee on Justice, Youth Development, and Legal Compliance to ensure compliance. I so move, Right Honorable Speaker.